Hi, it's Stephen with Care Labs. I'm the customer service manager here, and I just wanted to give you a quick update on something that we're working on. We are working on a presentation that we will give you in some form, and that will go over increasing cleaning and sanitation protocols with COVID-19 and the outbreak. We want to ensure that all businesses, whatever industry that you're in, that we're raising the standard for our protocols for cleaning and disinfecting. It's going to be more important now more than ever that we do this correctly, and that when we look at some of our cleaning procedures right now, that we look at it and say, how can we increase this to the way a hospital would clean and disinfect? Because we really need to do that. Obviously, there's a lot of unknowns, but we want to be able to reopen, and we want to be able to get things moving again. Well, we can only do that if we're properly cleaning and disinfecting our businesses. And that, of course, that's part of the guidelines that are being set out by the state and, of course, at the national level. So we want to help you do that. And there's some basic things. Cleaning and disinfecting, yes, will probably take more time than maybe has been dedicated to it in the past, but it's really vital that we do this, that we increase the standards. So we're putting together a presentation as if you're managing a hospital or a veterinary clinic, and we want to use those standards of sanitation for every single business. And just my observation when I've kind of called on customers and seen what's going on, there's a lot of disinfecting going on usually in the back if we're doing like boarding facilities or, for hospitalizations, clinics and rooms and things of that sort. But in the front area where people are coming in and you have a lot of traffic, sometimes those areas are a little more neglected, and that's where we're going to have to really focus on disinfection protocol and doing things a little bit differently than maybe we've done in the past. So we're putting together that presentation. It's going to be free. But we may not get to the point where we're doing a web conference or have that set up before we already start reopening some business. As you guys know, Governor Abbott came out and is allowing businesses to open at about a 25% capacity in a lot of different industries. And so we want to get this information out to you quickly if you need it. So if you're seeing this video and you just want the presentation without me delivering it, and you just want the PowerPoints and you have any questions about it, you can reach out to me, and I'd be happy to help you in any way I can. So we can give you that PowerPoint and you can use it. If you'd like to sign up for a class and do a webinar and there's enough interest there, we'd love to put that on, and I'll go over the items and get a little bit more into depth than perhaps is even in the presentation. So just wanted to pass that information along to you as we reopen and as we get things hopefully moving again. A lot of you have been essential businesses and you've been open, but perhaps there hasn't been as much activity. And now with the more businesses opening up, you may get some more activity. And so we want to just be here for you. We want to help you in getting things back up and running, and especially when it comes to disinfecting and cleaning. And we want to just look at what's going on now and say, how can we improve what we've been doing as far as cleaning to make sure that we're actually cleaning and disinfecting our facilities, especially against this COVID-19 outbreak. So be on the lookout for more information from us. We're constantly putting out information. If you're not connected with us in any way, please reach out to us and let us know you want to be on our email list. That's the main way that we're sending out information. You can find some information on our website as well, or you can just reach out to me directly. And my cell phone number, by the way, is 281-750-6608. Again, I'm Stephen Hasty. I'm a customer service manager here at Care Labs. My cell phone is 281-750-6608. Shoot me a text and let me know what you have a question about. And we'd love to help you guys. We want to make sure that when we open, we want to open. We want to see things open, but we want it done in a safe manner so we don't have another outbreak inside a facility. So what can you do is what we want to focus on. What can you do as a business to help prevent that? And so we're excited about this next phase. Hopefully we'll continue to see businesses continue to open up, and we want to be here when that happens for you. All right? Thank you so much.